Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Victoria. Hey, and in this video I will be sharing with you all how I made $80,000 in 3 months, and so can you. As you guys already know, I'm a YouTuber, duh. So with that, I get paid once a month through YouTube from something called AdSense. And basically what that is just ads running at the bottom of the videos or sometimes in the middle of the videos. And that is probably about the equivalent of what used to be like my 9 to 5, right? But that's not where you get the bulk of your money. Where you get the bulk of your money is through sponsorships. And with sponsorships, if you're not familiar with that, it's when a company pays you to promote or to review a product. And if you like that product, you would promote it on your channel, or with me anyway. If I like it, I'll promote it. If I don't, you guys will never hear of it. And you get paid from $5,000 on upwards for this type of marketing. And this is what you would consider social media marketing. Now, how does that apply to you? Can't wait to tell you about it. So let me tell you guys what happened with me. So as you guys already know, like on my channel since like the beginning of time, I have always showed you guys like DIYs, how to make your own scrubs, or how to make your own creams or paste, or hair serums and so on. And that was dated back like 3 years ago when I first started YouTube. So what happened is I made a video on how, like a DIY, a do-it-yourself scrub on how to lighten your bikini area, and people began to be really interested in this product to the point where they wanted me to sell it to them. And so they were asking me to make this product for them, but I didn't really have a product. I didn't have a website, I didn't have a store, I didn't have really anything. So it was like, you know, what do I do from here? So, and this is why I'm sharing this with you guys, because I didn't even know what I had. What I did there in that video is I inadvertently sponsored my own video. Within 3 months of going live with the website to make my product, I made $80,000. What I want to share with you guys is why that worked. Why did it work out that way? And so from a YouTuber or an influencer standpoint, we get paid to promote certain things, but we don't really look at it from the view of the company. We look at it as from, you know, our view. So why are we getting paid $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 to promote these products? Why? Because we make these companies so much money. When you're on Instagram and you see people wearing Pretty Little Thing or Fashion Nova, or adding, you know, acting different companies or different stores or so on, they are getting paid for that, but they're only getting paid a fraction of what they're actually making the company. So what I wanted to share with you guys, or maybe just urge you guys, encourage you guys to do, is to utilize those same tools. Okay, so what type of skill or talent do you have? Because everyone has them. Are you good at cooking? Are you good at makeup? Maybe you can make a YouTube. Maybe you can start a YouTube. Maybe you can start a blog. Maybe you can. Maybe you're good at mixing clothes together and good at fashion. You can have a whole YouTube lineup about fashion. That would be fantastic. Or if you wanted to do something on Instagram, like whatever your talent is, just really kind of hone in on that and make it work for you. So let me tell you guys my story. It's just crazy, and I just have to share it. So like I said, I did not have a store. I didn't really have a product. And the craziest thing about it that's just so mind-blowing is I was talking to a PR representative, right? She asked me what my financial goals were. And I was like, I wanted to make $100,000 outside of YouTube some kind of way this year. You know, that was my yearly projection. And so if you guys don't know already, I meditate and I visualize. And that's another thing that I want to share more here on this channel. I kind of want to steer away from doing all things external beauty, because I feel like it's just as important to have internal beauty and making sure you're taking care of yourself as a whole, you know. So I'm going to be sharing more of these types of videos, guys, just to motivate you all, to make sure that you are you feel encouraged, or if there's any kind of questions that you have regarding business or saving or finances and so on. I want to talk about that on this channel as well, because I want us to win like in, a whole. I don't want it to just be, how good our skin looks. Like, while that's important, it's more to us than just pretty skin, pretty hair, pretty nails. Someone's at the front door. But anyway, so yeah, so let me tell you guys. So I do something, I visualize and I meditate. So with that, what I do is I visualize everything that I want for 30 minutes. It's basically the law of attraction. If you haven't read The Secret, really look into that. And I'll leave a link for the book below. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that, but it's a really good book, and I really learned how to visualize. And it's the craziest thing. I was visualizing this $100,000. And then after I visualize, what I do is I meditate, because they say when you pray, that is when you're talking to God, and when you meditate, that's when God talks to you. So I like to first put my wants and my desires out there into the universe with my visualization, and then I like to sit in silence and receive like what my purpose is. A lot of you guys call me like super chill or whatnot. It's from meditation. Like, that's the truth. A lot of you like, you love my energy and so on. It's just from meditation. It's just from sitting in silence. So I'm going to be covering that here on this channel too, those types of things. But anyway, so I was visualizing this $100,000, and guys, like, I made $80,000 in 3 months. So I have something really cool that I want to share with you guys. So what I want you all to do, please, and what I urge you to do is, I really want you guys to figure out what it is that you are good at. Or you may already have a product or already have a service, but I really want you to utilize social media marketing. Okay? Social media marketing, I did not realize until I became the business owner myself, thanks to you guys, that it is a very lucrative field. So that is how I ended up making that money in that short amount of time, completely separate from what I earn on YouTube and through sponsorships. I was able to learn on the sponsors end how important it is to have that type of visibility. So if you have a product or service, if I were you, I would reach out to YouTubers, Instagrammers, or any other type of influencer, and I would pitch my products to them. I would pitch it to them and I would send it to them. Sometimes you may even have to pay them, but that's just the cost of business. And if you can't pay them, I would ask if you can gift it to them and really get your business going, because I had no idea how powerful social media marketing is. And with everything that's going on in the world right now, guys, I really wanted to come to you all, especially my ladies. You know that this channel has always been, female based, girl power. And I know with everything that's going on with COVID, that a lot of moms, single moms, are having to choose between work and staying home with their kids because they can't go to school and so on. And I really want to just see you guys win, okay? Because when I have a win, I want you guys to have a win. If something great happens with me, I'm going to share it. And that's what we're supposed to do here on this channel. We are one big family, okay? So what I really want to do is I want to help someone, okay? I kind of want to pay it forward. And the way that I want to do that is, if you have a product or a service, right? I want you to leave in the comments section what that is, and I want you to pitch me. And if you feel like it is in alignment with my channel, I will promote it right here on my channel. How y'all feel about that? How y'all feel about that? How y'all feel about that? Right? And also, small YouTubers, visibility and social media marketing is going to be very important for you as well. Visibility you can get with collaborations. Collaborations are so important. It is, especially with larger channels than yourself, or it could be the same amount and you are getting exposed to a crowd that has never seen you before. In fact, my mom's neighbor, she is a YouTuber. She has a fantastic channel. Her channel is for any type of online shopping. It's so convenient for right now because it takes all of the guesswork out of the online shopping because she buys it for you.
ChicMe.com today. Yes, I'm going to be reviewing clothing from ChicMe.com.
Right? She tries it on and she tells you the quality of that particular company or of that particular clothing line or whatnot, and it's pretty much amazing. But do you see what I just did there? I just promoted another YouTuber, and now she's gonna have more visibility that she does not have on her channel. So that's how it all works, guys. That's all that I'm trying to get across to you all. If you have any questions, please leave it for me in the comments section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because I have more videos like this coming. I'm excited about where we're going as a family, where we're going as a team. I want to help you guys. Like, I really want to see you guys win. From the beginning, since I first started this channel, it has always been geared towards just seeing you guys win, and that's just that. And I'm gonna keep it up with this type of work, because I don't feel comfortable just moving forward only talking about external things. I just don't. It's just not who I am. I am more layered than that, and I feel like I have a lot more to offer with just more than beauty. Not saying that beauty is not important, but there is more layers to beauty than just external beauty. I want you guys to be your own boss. I want you guys to feel confident. I want you guys to be self-sufficient. I want you all to exude inner and outer beauty. I want you guys to practice meditation. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to do everything. I'm excited. I'm really excited because you know, with this channel, I've had it for a while, and I started off right, I feel like, in the direction of where I was going, as far as making sure you guys were eating well, and sharing tips on how to have a healthy ecosystem for in your gut and so on. And I feel like I took a turn down a lane that I didn't realize I was turning, and it somehow turned into just external focus on beauty, and that's just not who I am, and that's not who you are either. And I'm gonna make sure of it. I want to make sure that we are all covered everywhere. Do me a favor, please share this video, because I need more visibility. I need more visibility, so help me out. Let's help each other out as a family. Don't forget to pitch me down below, because I am going to either collaborate with the YouTuber, or I am going to find, look and see what your pitches are, and I'm going to promote your product or your service. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to ask me on my Instagram. My Instagram is @a_beauty_beast. Sorry if I kind of got off topic a little bit in this video. Sorry if I had a little rant or what have you, but this video is unscripted. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.